In this video, I'll show you how to link my Cash app to Plaid step by step. This process is simple and allows you to securely link your bank account to Cash app for smoother transfers and better money management. Let's get started. First, open the Cash app on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the option labeled Linked Banks. Tap on it to open your linked account section. On this screen, select Linked Debit Card. Normally, Cash App will ask you to manually enter your debit card information. However, for this method, you'll need to link your account using Plaid, so instead of entering your card details, select the No Card More option that appears below. Once you tap on No Card, hit Continue at the bottom of the screen. Cash App will now display a list of supported banks. From here, simply scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find your bank. For example, if you bank with Chase, type Chase into the search bar and tap on it once it appears. After selecting your bank, you'll be prompted to log in using your online banking credentials. The same username and password you normally use to access your account through your bank's website or app. When you successfully log in, Plaid will securely verify your banking information. That's it. Your bank account is now linked to Cash App through Plaid. From now on, you can easily transfer funds, deposit money, and manage your Cash App balance more efficiently. These steps work the same way regardless of which bank you use. So whether it's Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, or any other supported institution, the process will be nearly identical. Now, you might be wondering what Plaid actually does. Plaid is a trusted financial technology service that acts as a secure bridge between your bank and Cash App. It allows Cash App to access your verified banking information safely without ever sharing your personal login details with anyone else. It's a background tool that ensures your data stays protected while enabling smooth and instant money transfers between your accounts. And that's it for this tutorial. You've now successfully learned how to connect your Cash App account to Plaid and securely link your bank for easy transfers.